A very happy morning to my lovely children. How are you all? I hope you are fit and fine. And welcome to your computer class. And in our today's class, we are going to start new chapter. Chapter number 5, Introduction to Sprites. So dear students, take out a textbook fast. Okay, my dear students. So name of the chapter is Introduction to Sprites. What is Scratch? Scratch is a computer programming language. Now dear students, if we want to communicate with each other, we use language, we use feelings, we use expression. But when we want to communicate with computer, can we use language? Can we use our expressions? हम expression से computer से communicate कर सकते हैं? No, we use computer language. And Scratch language was developed especially for students, and it is very easy. So dear students, this Scratch was developed only for students. To what you can do with Scratch? Come on dear students, you can play games, you can create your stories, you can do animation with the help of Scratch. So dear students, let's read about the Scratch. Scratch is a computer programming language. What is Scratch? It is a computer programming language developed by developed by lifelong kindergarten group, lifelong kindergarten group at the Media Lab, where it was developed. ये Scratch का प्रोग्राम कहाँ डेवलप हुआ था, कहाँ बना था? At Media Lab. It was introduced in 2007. When it was introduced in the year 2007, what was its aim? Its aim with the aim of teaching programming techniques. Programming techniques to students. Now, as I told you before, that Scratch was specially designed for students. What was the aim of Scratch? Scratch का aim क्या है? Teaching programming techniques to students. Scratch is free to download. Dear students, it is free to download. Now what we can do with Scratch? Scratch allows you to create programs. What we can do with Scratch? We can create programs by simply dragging dragging the blocks in the script area. In the script area, what we can do? We have to just draw a blocks in script area. It comes with a library of sprite images. Now what is this sprite image? Sprite image क्या है? Yes, this sprite image is a graphical element that we are using in Scratch. Okay? Backgrounds and sound effects. Now what we can do with this? We can change the background. We can give various sound to our sprite. जो graphical element हम use कर रहे हैं हमारे game के लिए, story के लिए. What we can do with that? You can change its sounds. You can make it move. You can create any kind of project. हम इसमें से कोई भी प्रोजेक्ट बना सकते हैं. Such as interactive stories. हम Scratch को यूज करके क्या कर सकते हैं? You can make stories. Animation, animations, or games in easy steps. So we can make interactive stories, animation, and games using this Scratch. You can then share your project with others on the web and even modify any project and save it. Now, as you are sharing your notes with your friends, same way when you are making some interesting story, interesting game, so you can share it with your friends on that too. A project is made up of objects called sprites. So, the object that we are using in Scratch is known as sprites. A sprite is a graphical element. What is a sprite? It is a graphical element. Sprite क्या है? एक graphic element है that can be moved, turned, shrunk, grown, etc. Now you can move your sprite upside down. You can turn it. Shrunk means you can decrease the size of your sprite. Grown, you can increase the size of your sprite. Now what it can be? हम वो जो graphical element sprite use करते हैं वो क्या हो सकता है? Yes students, it can be a ball, a butterfly, or an animal. So the sprite that you are using for your game, story, or animation, what it can be? It can be a ball, butterfly, or an animal. You can change the look of a sprite by giving it a different costume. Now, dear students, you can change the costume of your sprite also. As you are going out for party, you are changing your costume, right? So, same way you can change the costume of your sprite. You can use any image as a costume. You can give instructions to a sprite, make it move, play music, or react to the other sprites. Okay, dear students. Now, Scratch 2.0 is different from its previous version as it allows you to work both online and offline. Here we will discuss the offline version of software. But let us first know about the Scratch interface. Now, dear students, Scratch is not only available online, but we can use it offline also. Okay, dear students, you can use it offline also. Scratch has been created by Michel Resnick. Now, who is the creator of this Scratch? Scratch किसने बनाया था? What is the name of the person? It was created by Michel Resnick. Specifically to help young students for whom it is created. For whom it is created? किसके लिए बना है? Young students, 8 years and above. Why? To learn basics of programming. Okay, बच्चों को प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज सिखाने के लिए teach students programming language. This Scratch program was developed. Now, how we will start Scratch? हम Scratch को कैसे start करेंगे? हमारे स्क्रीन पर what we will do? As we are opening other program, same is the process. How do you do? To start Scratch, select Start. What we will do? We will select Start button. And what we will select there? Scratch 2. So this is the first option. And what is the second option? You can double click on the Scratch icon. Now see, when you are working on your monitor, on the screen, you can see various icons. So second way is you can double click on the Scratch icon on your desktop. The Scratch opening screen will appear. So this is the opening Scratch program. Okay, dear students. So we learned about Scratch. Scratch is nothing but a programming language, and it was developed for whom? किसके लिए बना है? It was developed for students. And what students can do with this Scratch program? Students can create stories, they can play games, and they can give animation effect. Now, who created this? किसने बनाया? What is the name of the person? Michel Resnick. Okay, dear students. So in today's session, I introduced you about Scratch program and how to start a Scratch. In our next class, we will will learn more about Sprites. Okay dear students, till then, goodbye. God bless you.